The design team 1 from the Alpha Centauri Campus has proposed an experiment that will use microgravity to create new materials, advancing humankind on Earth and leading to new discoveries on creating materials in space. This experiment will fly on the Blue Origin's new Shepard rocket in 2021 in a payload of roughly the size of a tissue box.
The premise of our experiment is to cure UV resin in microgravity in order to determine the difference between a resin cured in space instead of on Earth. The UV resin is an industrial material used in sealing, bonding, and coating, and it is useful in the medical, arts, automotive, electronics, cosmetics, and construction industries. Our experiment will start off with the liquid resins inside its mold. When the new Shepard rocket reaches the environment of microgravity, the UV lights inside of the payload will turn on, and the Raspberry Pi will send a signal to the cameras to start recording. Once the new Shepard returns to Earth, the UV resins cured in space will be compared with the UV resins cured on Earth in order to determine any differences in properties such as tensile strength, microscopic properties, or physical properties.
There are great long-term and short-term impacts from this experiment. By sending our design with the new Shepard rocket, we will prove the hypothesis that microgravity and ultraviolet light allows for the more effective curation of UV resin. Due to the even distribution of particles in microgravity in liquids, it will be stronger and more uniform than when cured on Earth. This will allow for better construction materials that can be used here and in space exploration. Looking further into the future, our experiment will open many research pathways about the creation of polymers in microgravity, the use of polymers in the construction of materials in space, and how materials can be readily created or printed in space quickly while still being effective. Additionally, the curation of UV resin in microgravity will save materials and money if less resin can be used, but still retaining its strength. This concludes our presentation, and thank you for watching.